Totoo po yan na ito yung pinakamalaking drug bust so far this year. No? So, naghahalagang 2.7 billion pesos ang nahuli ho natin through the coordination of the NBI, PIDEA, and the Bureau of Customs. No? Tama po din kayo na very brazen yung attempt nila na magpasok ng mga ganitong halaga, no, na droga. And again, like we mentioned at the start, dahil po sa coordination ng mga ahensya, ng mga law enforcement agencies, coupled with yung credible information na nakuha natin through our intelligence sources, nakuha ho natin itong, at very successful po yung operations ho natin. Yung halaga po ng intelligence ay hindi talaga mangyayari ito kung wala tayong credible intelligence sources. No? And they came from channels that we have cultivated and grown, and kumbaga inalagaan talaga natin yung mga assets ho natin na kahit saan meron talaga tayong malalaman. So with the coordination, and again, like I said earlier, this is the direction that the President wants us to go, na magsama-sama talaga yung mga ahensya, because his directive is to go against the big players. Yun po talaga, lahat po ng efforts natin, yun po yung focus natin, lahat po ay para sa big players na ngayon. So that is something that we have changed from the previous administration, and we will continue to do and continue to improve as the years go by.
Yung importation na sinabi nila, dineclare nila as cartons of vermicelli and custard. Ngayon na ba't nakapasok dun sa box ay itong mga shabu. Bakit 5? Yun pong 3 ay parang sa sila mga consignees, at yung mga nagpadala, nag-process ay kinasuhan din po natin lahat. Si Oscar Campo Verba ay ang consignee ng Red Shinting. Okay? Kevin Lee Manuel ay customs broker. Yung Richard Perlado Agantar ay customs broker din. Si Karen Villaflor ay chairman ng Freight Forwarding Company ARC Global Movers. At si Ray Baisa Guhilde ay president ng Freight Forwarding Company ARC Global Movers. Okay, makita nyo, iba-ibang layering, no? Iba-ibang tao, no? From consignee, yung broker, iba-ibang tao. Layering ang tawag namin dun para hindi agad namin matumbong. They were subpoenaed by our custom para, kasi bago ma-inspection ito, these people should be around. Aside from the requirement of the law that there should be media people during inspection and confiscation, there is a representative from the DOJ and at least yung any elected official. So, ginawa po namin yun lahat in accordance with Section 21 of the drug law. Kaya ito po, meron tayong airtight case para hindi po tayo ma-dismissan lamang ng kaso.